The Preservation Planning Ontology, a linked open data approach to digital preservation. Digital preservation is hard. There are many file formats and tools, many different systems and workflows, but most of all, there are many files. A great deal of work has been done to automate digital preservation. Preservation planning, however, has received less attention from software developers. Most preservation plans are documents, not data. This leads us to the question, just what is preservation planning? A great deal of thought has been put into the concept. Ultimately, the end result is a written plan, a document. Detailed preservation planning documents already exist at many institutions, from the detail-oriented to the very strategic. Many excellent tools and guides exist to help create preservation planning documents. But after all the planning is done, what we are left with is documents. Preservation plans earn 1 star at most. They are not yet open data. Something else still has to happen. The plans need to turn into actions. This brings us to digital preservation. So what exactly is digital preservation? It is all the things that have to happen to keep content safe and accessible. But what things exactly have to happen? Digital preservation employs a wide and growing range of tools. The capabilities of digital preservation are increasing. But there is still something missing. How do we know that the plans are really being followed? By reading documents and squinting at log files and praying? Surely there must be a better way. This sounds like a job for linked open data. By turning preservation planning documents into preservation planning data, it is possible to bridge the gap between the intentions of an institution and its actual practices. It will also become possible for digital preservation to benefit from the network effect, letting practitioners build on the work of others and share their own work back in a positive feedback loop. A preservation planning ontology will model the domain of preservation planning and link it to the domains of digital preservation. A great deal of work has already been done. There are many existing linked data vocabularies to work with. The preservation planning ontology will become one more link in this web. Artifactual Systems started down this path with the Format Policy Registry. The initial version developed would have earned 1 star at best. The second and current version might earn 3 or 4 stars now. We are proposing to build a 3rd generation version based on a new preservation planning ontology. We will build this into future versions of Archivematica and make it available as a separate application under an open source license. There is a gap in the current linked open data landscape. We would like to help fill it. We believe this is an ideal project to help drive adoption of linked open data in libraries, archives, and museums.